Hey and welcome to Alpha. So I have now just had a live stream where I'm trading binary option live. Now I'm not in my typical setup with super good computer and all this stuff things. I'm on a holiday here in Europa, but I still do my live streams. Okay, I will also now soon show you the trades I've done and how I trade. Okay, but before we do that, help me out. As I'm here now in Europa, I'm trading different time zone, and would help tremendously if you can like this video. And if you want to see my live stream, make sure you subscribe my channel, turn the bell notification so you never lose a live stream. And I also now after this I will make the live stream for tomorrow so everyone can see the time, so you can get notifications so you don't lose this live stream also for tomorrow if you want to trade together with me. Also, if you want to trade together with me, it's nice to have the same broker that you see I'm using right here now. You find link below the video for this broker. Okay, and this broker you can also get a promo code that give you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. I will now show you the trades we have done today. I did had some problems in the start of my live stream today. I did not have sound. Thankfully it was one that told me, because I'm here on my laptop, and yeah, it was not the best start. So we had some issues, and I also my mouse was not working, so I need to use this pad you have on the computer. So I had a little problem also to do the trades properly, but we got in some trades, and I always said before, if I start to see I get some minus, I do go up to 200. 200 is my max bid. So then I start to do only 200 trades. So the trades we did today, it's from here. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades we did today, and out of 10 trades you won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so basically 50% win rate. But as we did change up to 200, we did turn profit, by the way. So our profit in this live stream is a sweet $20. Yes, $20. We made crazy money here now. But not only that, every time we trade we do get some cash back. And that's a sweet thing. That's the thing you see up here now in the green button here. When you click this button here now, this will be added to our balance here. So when you push here now, see, then we got our $88. That means we made a sweet profit of $108. So you see the cashback do help us to turn a little more profit. So but tomorrow, with no issues, we can concentrate, we can trade properly, we will make a lot more profit than this. I'm pretty sure of that. I will not promise you that, but I will do my best at least. So make sure you tune in tomorrow and trade together with me if you like to be want to be trading binary option on a hobby basis or professional later. That will be up to you. And if you want that, make sure you tune in tomorrow, and make sure you open with this broker. You find a link below the video, and with that, have an amazing day.